Good evening! That is a great time to create admin user. In this process, we will do some errors. Anything that you're doing with errors. It's nobody perfect. Let's see how that works. So, we have a good command on the left. Sudo user add -m admin 10. We already know how to create a regular user. Enter. It's asking for password. Provide the password and enter. And here we have an error. User 10 is not in the sudoer file. This incident will be reported. So the user was not created. And the reason is that we don't have access to create the users. Pay attention. We have user 10 at localhost. User 10 is name of the user, localhost, name of the server. User 10 is regular user, is not administrative user. So we need to fix it. How we fix it? We go to administrative user. su minus or hyphen admin 1. It's asking for password again. And as you can see, user admin 10 was changed to user admin 1. That is my convention for this series. All admin users starting with admin. All regular users starting with user. Now we'll try to fix the error, and we'll do the same that we was unable to do last time. Sudo user add -m admin 10. Again, it's asking the password for current user, for admin 1. Okay, no error. Looks like user was created. The next step, the same as in previous video. We go to provide password for the user. Sudo passwd admin 10. Enter. Provide a new password. Enter and repeat the password, retype and enter. As you can see, all authentication tokens updated successfully. That means we was able to create a user. Now we have additional step that we didn't use before, and that step actually create the admin user. Sudo user mode -ag wheel, and wheel is a group. It's magic group that contains admin users. And after that admin 10. So the command is user mode -ag wheel, it's name of the group, and admin, name of the user to add to the group. Enter. Now we want to verify that user was created. ID admin 10. Enter. Now we have a very interesting thing that is a little bit different from the what we saw in the past. First, we have user ID equal 2011, and it's a user ID of admin 10. After that, we have GID. GID is group ID, and it's 2013 for admin 10 group. we have additional groups. It's admin 10 and it's wheel, and 10 is GID of the group, admin group. Thanks a lot for viewing. We'll see you in the next video.